In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of the OneDrive icon missing from your Windows 10 taskbar. This is a relatively common problem that can be frustrating, but thankfully, it's an easy fix. So let's get started. First, head over to your Start menu. Here, you need to type in OneDrive in the search bar to find it. This is an important step because it helps you locate where OneDrive is operating from on your system. Once you find it, you're going to want to click on it. If OneDrive doesn't open or if issues persist, then it's time to try something a bit more drastic. The next step involves uninstalling OneDrive. To do this, navigate through your apps and programs. Find OneDrive and click on Uninstall. Now, I know this might sound intimidating, but don't worry. Uninstalling and then reinstalling the program can often clear up any bugs or issues causing the icon to be missing from the taskbar. After you've uninstalled it, you'll need to install OneDrive once again. You can do this by going to the Microsoft website or using the setup file if you have it available. Just follow the on-screen instructions to get OneDrive back on your computer. Once OneDrive is successfully installed, it should appear in your taskbar, but if it doesn't fly through automatically, don't worry. Click on the caret or little upward arrow in your taskbar to see hidden icons and find the OneDrive cloud symbol. Once you locate it, right-click on the icon and select Settings from the menu to proceed further. In the Settings dialog, you'll notice several tabs. You need to navigate to the Account tab. This section is crucial because it's where you'll manage and set up your OneDrive account details. If you haven't already signed in, look for an option called Add Account. Clicking on this will prompt you to log in using your Microsoft credentials. You might want to have those handy beforehand. After signing in, you'll see a series of instructions to follow to complete the setup. Make sure you follow these steps precisely, as they help ensure that your OneDrive account is properly synchronized with your computer and that all settings are correct. At this point, your OneDrive icon should be visible on your taskbar. If everything went smoothly, you should now have regained full access to your OneDrive and should be able to see its icon on the taskbar without any issues. If problems arise again in the future, you can revisit these steps to troubleshoot as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in resolving your OneDrive icon issues.